Joe Biden, inspiring quotes that will change your life. These quotes reflect Joe Biden's optimism, empathy, and belief in the power of unity and collective action. One, don't tell me what you value. Show me your budget, and I'll tell you what you value. 2. The measure of a society is found in how they treat their weakest and most helpless citizens. 3. Failure at some point in your life is inevitable, but giving up is unforgivable. 4. We are stronger when we stand together. We are America, second to none, and we own the finish line. 5. Let us remember, we are the architects of our future. Together, there is nothing we can't achieve. 6. In every crisis, there is an opportunity to build a more equitable society. 7. The only way to deal with fear is to face it head on. 8. The greatest strength we can possess is the ability to unite and find common ground. 9. Our diversity is our greatest strength. We must embrace it and celebrate it. 10. Leadership is not about the position you hold, but the actions you take. 11. The most valuable commodity I know of is trust. It can take years to earn, and only a matter of seconds to lose. 12. There is nothing we cannot achieve when we put our minds to it and work together. 13. Change happens when ordinary people come together to do extraordinary things. 14. Empathy is the fuel for democracy. It's the one quality that can see us through our toughest times. 15. It's never too late to change the course of your life and make a positive impact. 16. Every day, ordinary people do extraordinary things. They conquer fear to reach out to others, care for them, and inspire them. 17. Optimism is the faith that leads to achievement. With hope and determination, we can overcome any obstacle. 18. The future belongs to those who are willing to work for it. 19. We are bound by the shared belief that opportunity should be within reach for all. 20. Let's work together to leave this nation better than we found it.